Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. As promised, I'm going to be doing during and after videos of our retaining wall project. Got a couple of our sections of footings poured. Jumped up to this guy. It's going to be a little bit thicker footing because the wall gets taller. So we've got 6 number 5s in this guy and every 16 inches and verticals every 16 inches. I'm going to carry that onto this guy. Going to have the same grid. And that far one's going to have the same grid. But you can check out how we start our rebar. Get our 2 runners first. Our verticals every 16 inches. Get our key in there. This 2x4 key, it's going to lock this footing to the retaining wall. You can follow all these videos on our website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Jade Alpine, you need retaining walls. Been here in Denver for over 52 years. Check us out. It's Jade Alpine. We'll see you guys on the next one.